Okay, welcome back to Gold's Garage. I just made a startup introductory video yesterday about this engine, and today it's time to get to work and get it apart, and that's, as I already mentioned, going to be a big job. But I got some of my facts wrong, and I guess maybe some of the trivia wrong, and it's been brought to my attention, so I'm going to fix everything that I got wrong. So a stove bolt engine was the engine made from the original that's going in a 1946 truck, by the way, Chevrolet truck, not a 47 like I mentioned before, a 46 truck, and it originally would have had a stove bolt 215, and the significance of the term stove bolt is on the original engine the valve cover would have been held on by two studs, and the bolts, the nuts that connected to those studs, which would have been here and here, were acorn nuts, and they looked like stove bolts. Thus, the engine got called stove bolt. That engine ended in 1954, I think, and in 1955, this version came out. It's a 235. They are interchangeable, as I understand. This was called a blue flame engine, and if you can tell, it used to be a little bit blue. There's not much blue left on it, but it used to be blue at one time, and it would say blue flame on the side, and when I get all done with it, it's going to say that again. So just to correct that, and this engine is out of a 62 Chev truck, and this style of engine, the blue flame, was made till 64, and in 65 GM come out with the next version of 6-cylinder engines, which is quite a bit different. In fact, it doesn't use rocker arms, rocker shaft. It uses rocker arms like the Chevrolet small block V8s did. So a little bit of trivia maybe, but I wanted to get the facts correct before we go forward. And so this engine is also, as I mentioned, going to North Carolina to Osprey Custom Cars, and it's being installed in the truck owned by D. Let me get that right. Make sure I get it right. Sorry. D and Gene Donovan in Chalkawinity, North Carolina. I had to go to my notes for that one. And so I wanted to mention that as well. And if you look at the thumbnail of the video, there's a picture of their truck on the thumbnail. So it's going to be all cool. And now I have to figure out how to get this thing apart and get the parts to the machine shop and get the work going on it. So hope you found that interesting, and watch for follow-up as this thing progresses. And we're always looking for subscribers and likes. Thanks for watching Gold's Garage.